Morning. It's Monday, which means I'm not teaching today. However, I'm gonna have a busy day because I gotta go fix my car. I gotta go pick up a new computer for the academy. I gotta collect that. We gotta go to IKEA again. Miss my drums. Look at that guy go. Look at that guy going. Well, I'll be efficient if I can leave the house.
Yeah, that's always an idea.
Okay, time to get some stuff done. I gotta go get this car fixed, and I gotta go to the academy to collect, or to be there so they can deliver my new computer for my classroom. Yeah, here we go. Good news. My car broke down. So, yeah, apparently there's a nightmare of a problem with the electric system. It seems to have damaged a bunch of stuff that I don't understand. So, gotta go get myself a hire car and try to fix this one. That's an interesting way of spending your day off. Okay, back in the car. So far it seems to be fine, but they told me that it wasn't fine, so I'm just leaving the garage. Great people, by the way, here at Grove Lane Garage. They tried to fix the problem, they couldn't, so they didn't charge me, so highly recommend it. So far the car feels okay. I gotta take it to the dealer so they can fix it. Let's hope for the best. So I'm back home. My car is not, so I had to leave the car behind. So I'm now gonna head out to get another car so I can carry on with my life. Okay, got the new car. The other car is somewhere to be fixed, and now we got this beautiful hire car. Yeah, not really my vibe, but what are you gonna do? So now we are back at IKEA because apparently that's what we do on Mondays now. So we're gonna get more furniture, some furniture. Yeah, here we go. This is like a mini sofa, man. Why is it so small? It feels like a large chair. It's an oversized chair. Do you think that people come to IKEA and they see one of these and they go like, I'll take the room? That was a joke. It's not so funny when you say it 3 times in a row. Alright, where's my desk? Okay, still at IKEA, but we've decided on a desk and a chair and what else?
A bed.
And the bed. Is it this one, the grey one, the white one?
Well, yeah, white.
Because you're gonna paint it?
Because the wardrobes are white.
That makes sense. Alright, we are pretty much done. Oops. I think I want to do the same thing he's doing. Right. So I don't know where the car is. That's slightly concerning. Yeah, that was the wrong floor. I found the car. Okay, we're going back to IKEA. Let's go again. Round 27. Back to the car because she forgot the papers with the codes.
Oops.
I think we've lost the papers. Yes. No, I'm going with you.
You don't have to.
I will.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yep, there we go.
We are finally leaving IKEA. It's now 7:15 p.m. We've been here for 2 weeks approximately, and like 3 hours, but still. Let's go home. I'm starving. We are finally home. It was a long day. Louis was a little bit upset by the end of it. He's teething, so nightmare. Still my favorite person in the world. Tomorrow is back at work. See you guys tomorrow then.